What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? I made this video once, but it's now getting scrapped because I'm making it again. Because there's an update. Ta-da! So, like probably about a month ago now, actually. I was gonna say the other day, but it's about a month ago. There's this girl who does same thing, motor vlogs, whatever, named Kujira, or I think that's what her social media handle is. She is the sweetest girl, and one day I was talking to her, and I couldn't remember what I was supposed to tell her, or forgot something, whatever. So the next day I go on Instagram, and I'm going to message her, because I remembered what I was supposed to say. Find out her account is gray. I went on YouTube and found out her Instagram had just been banned. So I was like, well, that at least explains, what happened. So I'm like, well, that sucks, because as somebody who does social media, I mean, everyone has a social media, but like when you do it on the level of like making money, it's a different beast. If you're just posting on your Instagram pictures of your vacation and you don't give a shit about it, it's different than like if you're posting on your Instagram to get exposure, to get people to go to other socials or YouTube or whatever, because technically the more people you lead to watch, and you make more money. And she had way more followers than I do, so like I'm assuming at some point or some amount she was making money from Facebook and Instagram, because if you don't know, they're both owned by Meta, so they're connected. So if you get banned on one, you get banned on both. And funny enough, a couple days after that, I'm on YouTube again, because hey, it's my favorite platform, honestly. And I'm gonna say, I believe it's Wishes, same thing, motovlogger, but he's also way bigger than I am, so I'm assuming he does this at some level of almost a job. Income from all the socials and YouTube has got to be, a bigger portion than what I'm making, let's put it that way. And he, same thing, posts on YouTube, said, Instagram just on it 1 minute, off to do something else, come back, account banned. And it's like, well, that sucks. If you do social media at the level of like business, income kind of social media, it's your job. Let's say you post a reel and it gets 1 million views, goes viral. The conversion from that post to how many viewers or how many followers you're going to gain on Instagram, how much money you're going to make from Instagram, and then also how many people are going to convert to clip-ins, how many people are going to go to your other socials and make money there. So if you're like a guy like Wishes who's doing this at a semi-job level, or maybe his only job, I actually don't know, it sucks. I mean, if you get banned from Instagram and Facebook, it's not just your business account, it's your personal accounts too. And obviously there's like the super sketchy, like, hey, I know this guy, if you pay him $500, you just give him your account information and he'll get your account unbanned. Like, little sketchy on that one. But I'm making this video now, or remaking this now, because the other day Kuji posted on her YouTube, banned, blanket, done. She said she'd gone through multiple avenues, tried this, and just nope, it's indefinitely banned, which sucks. I mean, it's just for no apparent reason, no warning, no, hey, you've done this, if you do it again, or hey, you're posted this content, you have to remove it, or if it's just hatchet. I mean, it's no surprise. Like if you ride a bike and you post on social media, it's not what they like, unless you're standing in a parking lot dancing or doing bullshit drama content, like any sort of riding content. No. It is an unfavorable thing to social media to actually just ride a bike. Use it for what it is, but sucks. And I'm gonna say, obviously I don't have the biggest reach in the world, but both of their socials, both of their YouTube links are going to be in the comments below. Go check them out. Tell them I said hi. Help them out if you can, whatever it is. just sucks to see. Especially doing, you know, doing basically the same thing. I'm like, well, damn, that would suck, you know. I don't even make money from Instagram, but if it just got banned, it would be like, well, damn, you know, sad day right there. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comments down below, if you do this kind of thing, have you ever been banned, or do you have the same problem as a lot of other people, or whatever it is. Comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform lets you do. It really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, see you later. Peace.